Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, September 26th, 2022. Friday was a weak day for the markets. We saw the markets gap down and continue lower all session until about 3 o'clock, and then we rallied into the close. We closed down at the lowest closing price that we have seen in quite a while. Definitely the lows of the week, lows of the month. And we'll be looking at what has happened historically on a Monday following a really weak close like we saw on Friday. So I'm getting this set up with all four instruments. The setup's based upon getting long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Currently, we are trading lower in the overnight session. So from the opening filters, I'm going gap direction, clicking on gap down. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. And from the active today section, I'm going to go to the new lows. You can see we had 5, 10, 20, 50-day low close here. I'm going to go with 20-day low close here just to keep as many samples as possible. I could go 50 as well, but I do want to keep a few more samples here. Next thing I'm going to do is go to indicators library. I'm going to say that we closed below a 200-day simple moving average. I don't need a 10-day since I've got a 20-day low close in there. And then lastly, I'm going to hit equals next to Monday so we can see specifically what happens to start the week following that bearish week that we are on the heels of. All right, let me click view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is a Monday and you're gapping down when the prior session closed at a 20-day low and below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 23 samples in the S&P. We've got 23 in the NASDAQ, 20 in the Dow, 23 in the Russell. Win rates on these look mostly weak. S&P coming in, 39% of these have closed above the opening print for the session. That is also the same for NASDAQ, 39%. Dow, 60%, so a little bit stronger there. And Russell, 35%. If we look at the average moves, very similar in size for the S&P. The NASDAQ has a larger average win. The Dow has a larger average loss. The Russell has a larger average win. So we're a bit mixed here on average moves, but 3 of the 4 of them have weaker win rates, historically speaking, with Russell being the weakest of the group at 35%. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.